How to one name on Facebook old account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can do a one name on Facebook old account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to basically do a one name on your old Facebook account, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Facebook application here, and then if you'd like to do only a one name, tap the three lines option, then tap the gear icon, then just scroll down and then just go to this option here known as settings, right? So you can just go to account center as well. So once you go to account center, go to the profiles option here, and once you go to profiles over here you can just select Facebook, and once you select Facebook then just tap on name. Now here you can see if I just try to remove the surname and save the changes, I can't review the changes, so which means that I can't only do a one name. But what I can instead do is, instead of typing and not typing anything, I can just type in a simple dot, and even if I tap a simple dot here, I can just tap the change option here, and once you tap the change option you should be able to go ahead and then basically enter the details and then do a one name. So this way you can do one name on your old Facebook account in an updated way. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.